Alright, baby, by English. It's summer and today we cook summer soup gazpacho. We need the following ingredients. Come here. 1 kilogram of tomatoes, 100 grams of beets, 25 grams of bread, vinegar, olive oil, mineral water, a little bit of onion, pepper. We will also use some grilled pepper and salt. Let's cook.
Wash vegetables.
Boil beet. Cut tomatoes in half. Soak bread in olive oil and vinegar. Season with salt.
Peel tomatoes
With the potato peeler, yes.
cut the vegetables, peel and cut the beet.
And the Oscar goes to Veronica.
Thank you, sir and father and my teacher. Thank you. I'm so happy and
to receive this award.
This award. And
Now mix everything in a blender. Cut tomatoes and mix the tomatoes in a blender too. Mix everything and add the mineral water. Put the soup in a refrigerator. Put the soup in a refrigerator and refrigerate for 3 hours.
our gazpacho is ready. Enjoy your meal.